In 2026, the AI short drama space is exploding across all social media platforms. But most creators are still stuck with traditional methods, juggling multiple apps just to make one short drama, and it takes them a whole week to put out a single episode. Trying to build a hit account that way? It's way too hard. What if I told you there's an all-in-one tool that can handle an entire short drama for you? Let you produce one in minutes, dramatically lower your costs, and double your speed at growing new channels?
Oh no. No, no, no.
Tsunami! Everyone get off the beach, now! There! Fire station! It's higher!
Today, I am going to review Pippit Seedance 2.0. Process is very simple. Click on the description link and create an account, and you will see the dashboard like this. Drama. 1. I will select the settings like duration, 15 seconds, aspect ratio, 16:9 vertical style, disaster, intense, visual driven, multi-scene. Enter the detailed prompt and finally click the generate button. The talent delivers the narration.
So that's it? 3 years, you're just gonna walk away?
You lied to me, Mike. I saw the text.
It's not what you think. Just let me explain.
You had 6 months to explain. I'm done waiting.
Where are you even gonna go?
Not your problem anymore. Took you long enough. You okay?
After testing Pippit's Seedance 2.0 feature, I'm genuinely impressed by how easy it is to turn a simple idea into a complete cinematic short drama. From character consistency and emotional storytelling to smooth scene transitions and high-quality visuals, the entire creation process feels fast, intuitive, and creator-friendly. Whether you're making short films, social media content, brand stories, or creative experiments, Pippit gives you the tools to bring your vision to life without the complexity of traditional production workflows. If you've been looking for a faster way to create engaging AI-powered video content, now is the perfect time to try it for yourself. Click the link, explore Pippit and Dreamina Seedance 2.0, and start creating your own cinematic stories today.